Kareena Kapoor, Saif Ali Khan reached the crematorium for Rishi Kapoor's last rites. And the breaking story at the moment on India Today with live visuals that are coming in. There's Abhishek Bachchan, Ayan Mukherjee also at the crematorium. Rishi Kapoor is going to be cremated. They've all reached the crematorium at the moment. Live visuals coming in right now on your screens. Let's get you those live visuals in just a bit. But Kareena Kapoor Khan, Saif Ali Khan have reached the crematorium for the last rites of Rishi Kapoor. You also have Abhishek Bachchan, Ayan Mukherjee reaching the crematorium. Rishi Kapoor will be cremated now. The family, friends of Rishi Kapoor have reached the crematorium. India Today is mourning the death of the veteran actor Rishi Kapoor, who's passed away at the age of 67 in a Mumbai hospital. And this is of the farewell to the heartthrob. Rishi's body has been brought to the crematorium at the moment. Remember, he was admitted to the hospital on Wednesday morning after his health had deteriorated. He breathed his last on 30th of April, which is today. The actor was admitted to HN Reliance Hospital in Mumbai on Wednesday morning as well. And you can see there's a fair bit of crowd that is gathered around the crematorium. But there is a heavy amount of security in place from what we can see, rather organized, one must say. The visuals that are coming in showing how the police is on the spot at the moment, organizing the crowds around as well. Not too many, but a fair bit of people have gathered right there. And amidst the ones to reckon with, there is Kareena Kapoor Khan, Saif Ali Khan, who have reached the crematorium for the last rites. That is, the visual that is coming in is of Rishi Kapoor's body being brought in to the crematorium as well. Abhishek Bachchan, Ayan Mukherjee have reached the crematorium. Rishi Kapoor is about to be cremated at the moment. There are some people who have been given special permission to attend this funeral as well. And the list of people has come out who have been given permission at the Chandanwadi cremation. Neetu Kapoor, Reema Jain, Manoj Jain, Arman Jain, Adar Jain, Anisha Jain, Rajiv Kapoor, Randhir Kapoor, Saif Ali Khan, Kareena Kapoor Khan, Bimal Parekh, Natasha Nandan, Abhishek Bachchan, Dr. Tarang, Alia Bhatt, Ayan Mukherjee, Jai Ram, Rohit Dhawan, Rahul Ravel. These are the people who have been given special permission to attend the funeral. Remember, this funeral is happening amidst the lockdown, and hence this special permission is required from the authorities for the people to come and attend the cremation. Rishi Kapoor's body being brought in right there. As you can see the visuals that are coming in. My colleague Mustafa is getting us all the latest details from Mumbai, where Rishi Kapoor's last rites are being conducted at the moment. Mustafa, friends and family are at the crematorium at the moment. All of them gathered to bid farewell to the heartthrob. Rishi Kapoor will be cremated any moment now. Mustafa, over to you.
Yes, of course. We are right outside Chandanwadi crematorium. Here you can see the vehicles which were traveling with the body of Rishi Kapoor. Here, all the relatives, the Kapoor family who are taking part in the last rites have gone inside. On the left hand side, you can see the police vehicles and police barricading also done here, so that a lot of crowding doesn't happen. As the news has come out, locals of this area have gathered around, and they are trying to have a glimpse of the actors who are coming in for the last rites. As you were saying, at any point of time, the cremation will take place in this area of Marine Lines, and there were initial updates about his daughter coming down and they'll be waiting for her, but I guess that has not happened given the permissions pending for her travel by air. But here you can see that the cremation may happen at any time. All the people who are allowed, there are around 15 to 16 people who have been given permission, are present inside at this point of time for the cremation to take place. And this is something which nobody would have thought, that a heartthrob like Rishi Kapoor passing away at a hospital, the body was not taken to his house, but before that it was brought here for the cremation to happen. As we see, the cars are moving, looks like the cremation has already taken place, or maybe the parkings are being changed at this point of time to make the road
Mustafa, the other thing that I noticed right here through the cremation is that the world, of course, at the moment is going through very, very difficult times and troubled times as well, and a death that takes place amidst a lockdown is rather very difficult on the family as well, because not many can go ahead and attend the funeral as well. And here you have, all right, there you go. These are last visuals that are coming in of Rishi Kapoor in the hospital. These are the last few visuals that are coming in. And in fact, I'm getting goosebumps looking at these as well. These are just the few moments before his death from the Reliance Hospital in Mumbai. Let's listen into that song as well that is being sung.
बहुत तरक्की करो, सफलता प्राप्त करो, मेहनत करो. देखो, शोहरत, नाम, ये सब आता है मेहनत के बाद. जब तक मेहनत और थोड़ी किस्मत साथ देगी, तो फल अपने आप पेड़ों पर लगेंगे. बस उसकी ये एक गांठ बात रखना.
Wow, those were the last words of Rishi Kapoor. You know, he ended up saying things like, you will get your fame. The most important thing is for all of you to work hard. And this is perhaps the last heartwarming message that is coming in, because this visual was taken just moments before his death. And India Today has accessed these exclusive visuals as well for our viewers. Last moments of Rishi Kapoor. In fact, we should play that once again for the viewers who miss seeing that. We will do so, but these are live visuals that are coming in from Chandanwadi police, I beg your pardon, crematorium. And Chandanwadi, remember, happens to be near Marine Lines in South Mumbai. And what I was also mentioning earlier is that the world is going through a rather difficult time, and when somebody is passing away in a time like this, it's very, very difficult to people to go ahead and bid farewell to their near and dear ones, to the ones who have just passed away. But now they've got permission. The friends and family have sought permission for a select number of people who can travel, because most of these people from the list that I've just been given, they're all, most of them, and not all, most of them are residents of Mumbai suburbs. So for them to travel, this permission was required. And this crematorium happens to be in Marine Lines, which happens to be in South Bombay, and because it's very close to the hospital where Rishi Kapoor passed away. And a lot of people have gathered. At the moment, the news that we just broke is that Kareena Kapoor has reached, Saif Ali Khan has reached the crematorium, Abhishek Bachchan has also reached, Ayan Mukherjee has also reached the crematorium, and the permission has been given to several others as well. You've got Alia Bhatt who's got permission, you also have Aadar Jain who's got permission, Anisha Jain, Rajiv Kapoor, of course Randhir Kapoor, Bimal Parekh as well, Dr. Tarang as well, Rohit Dhawan, Rahul Ravel, many people getting permission. There's a specified list of people who have been given permission to gather at the Chandanwadi police station. Remember, this is unprecedented, because funerals that are taking place now amidst this lockdown have to follow a certain set of rules and norms, and those social distancing norms are also being maintained. As you can see, all the friends and family who are just gathering at the moment, all of them wearing masks, and unprecedented. to say the least. And you also have that visual across your screen where Rishi Kapoor is being brought in to the crematorium as well. And there is a lot of police that is gathered outside the crematorium, and rather very disciplined on-ground management. There are a few people who have gathered as well, but the crowds have been managed beautifully well by the Mumbai police. As we can see, there is barricading that is being done. Media is also covering this from a distance, as you can just see. Now that the camera is zoomed out, we can show you how media is standing at a distance and getting those visuals as well for the fans of Rishi Kapoor. There you go. These are the latest visuals that are coming in at the moment.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.